Shuntak Fraternal Association Cheng Yudong Secondary School Testimonial Reference Ability Behavior Maturity Personality Attitude Outstanding Excellent Very Good Good Helpful Consider Well-behaved Responsible Confidential Mature Self-motivated Well-developed All-round is interested
in everything positive, enthusiastic, eager, motivated, keen, able, average, inconsistent, poor, weak, thoughtless, inconsiderate, disruptive, naughty, problematic, selfish, shy, childish, immature, lacks confidence, one-sided, uneven, lacks curiosity, is dependent on others, unmotivated.
Passive lazy very equals highly equals extremely quite equals fairly equals somewhat not equals not at all equals not very List of adjectives describing personal qualities 1.
General conduct and personal characteristics. A temperament.
Warm, calm, serene, composed, gentle, mild, pleasant, charming, delightful, jovial, cheerful, jolly, hearty, serious, matured, natural, impressionable, impassionate, spirited, excitable, imperturbable, staid, grave, sedate, demure, resigned, playful, unaffected, affected, quick, ferocious, acute,
Cutting, incisive, fiery, hysterical, impetuous, heady, hot, sentimental, meddlesome, oversensitive, mercurial, restless, boisterous, impulsive, volcanic, morose, gloomy, moody, melancholic, sharp, caustic, cheerless, pensive, flashy, nervous, hot-headed, emotionally stable, fussy, impulsive, cynical, sophisticated, mature. Be energy, alert, energetic, quick, industrious, diligent,
Indefatigable, laborious, persevering, assiduous, passive, leisurely, steady, inactive, slipshod, indolent, lazy, slovenly, idle, torpid, apathetic, sluggish, languid, slow, drowsy, fatigued, tired, conscientious, painstaking, absent-minded. See readiness to accept responsibility, ready, willing, enthusiastic, keen, eager, reliable, helpful, dutiful, unwilling,
begrudging, reluctant, demure, sober, composed, half-hearted, unreliable, irresponsible, timid, careless, persevering, evasive. 2. D. Initiative, brilliant, enterprising, inspiring, striking, nil, venturous, confident, unenterprising, lacking. E. Punctuality, excellent, punctual, regular, irregular, late, early. The last two words may be modified by always, frequently, often.
Generally, seldom, sometimes, rarely, scarcely, never. F. Attendance, excellent, regular, irregular.
2. Administrative ability, a mental capacity, able, clever, brilliant, sagacious, inventive, shrewd, sharp, talented, ingenious, versatile, smart, sensible, crafty,
intriguing, unimaginative, dull, normal, plain, stupid, dry, intelligent, thoughtful, imaginative. Be judgment, sound, circumspect, cautious, careful, reliable, discreet, realistic, incapable of independent thinking, discerning, meticulous, prudent, shrewd.
calm, polite, unruffled, level-headed, cool-headed, candid, sincere, frank, direct, outspoken, hasty, timid, vague, unreliable, presumptuous, rash, impulsive, indiscreet, hot-headed, blunt, unreserved, confused, shows prejudice, analytical, undependable, practical, reserved, independent, balanced, logical, coherent. 3. Professional ability, efficient, resourceful, proficient,
Competent, average, masterly, ingenious, capable, talented, experienced, normal, improving, raw, inexperienced, incapable, degenerated, of narrow interest. Interest shown in work, enthusiastic, keen, lively, enterprising, meticulous, devoted, zealous, earnest, sanguine, ardent, fervent, natural, confident, steady, patient, apathetic, phlegmatic, sluggish, languid, careless, inattentive, irresponsible,
complacent, easygoing, unsteady. For capacity for organization, including a to get good work from subordinates, systematic, enterprising, brilliant, shrewd, superficial, masterly, businesslike, methodical, able, orderly, rash, inconsistent, unimaginative, confused, disagreeable, tactful, inspiring, reassuring, condescending, repulsive, selfish,
haughty, tactless, irritating, quarrelsome, unpleasant, hypercritical, sarcastic, annoying, exacting, impatient, unpleasant, irritable, provoking, intolerant, conceited, stern, harsh. 5a Ability to cooperate with H/M, polite, cordial, courteous, respectful, cooperative, deferential, conciliatory, provocative,
tactless, sarcastic, discontented, meddlesome, troublesome, irreverent, querulous, servile, saucy, precocious.
touchy, surly.
3. B. Ability to cooperate with others, popular, friendly, amicable, harmonious,
pleasing, cordial, sincere, sociable, tactful, humble, obliging, modest, convivial, congenital,
difficult, civil, tactless, unpopular, proud, incooperative, sneering, contemptuous, selfish, inconsiderate, helpful, sociable, amiable, spiteful, timid, egotistic, secluded,
sympathetic. 6 Special aptitudes, musical, artistic, scientific, mathematical, systematic, entertaining, mechanically
skillful in, proficient in. Other words that may be used: serious, amusing, refined, culture.
euphemistic, resolute, strong-minded, interesting, animated, smiling, jocular, mirthful, humorous, uninteresting, glib, pedantic,
quaint, fearless, plucky, turgid, punctilious, implacable, tedious, coarse, indecorous, eccentric, artificial, conceited, fastidious, squeamish, ostentatious,
pretentious, pompous, shabby, dowdy, snobbish, obnoxious, irascible, content, dissatisfied.